Hello, welcome to this channel. This is a channel that informs you and not to deform you. This is a channel that cares about your career, your chosen pursuit, whatsoever your career may be. So, I am bringing to you today a free certification offered by LinkedIn and Microsoft. LinkedIn and Microsoft collaborate themselves since June 2020 to bring free certification to the people who are into the field of information technology. So, this certification would not remain free forever because you will see that in the year 2025, that will be the end of it. So after 2025, you will start paying for the same certification with the same content. So if you are not aware, you need to be informed now. Now, for those of you that are transiting from various fields, if you are not in a technical field, if you are not an IT personified, you understand? You have to take the bull by the horn for you to excel in this particular field, in this particular career. You need to earn some certifications, some tangible number of certifications. This is why you apply to jobs, even those of them that have studied computer science in their bachelor's degree level or in their master's degree level. They find it very difficult to get a job because they do not have tangible certification. And certifications in information technology are very, very expensive. But Microsoft and LinkedIn have brought this one for you for free. Take advantage of them. Please, if you like this channel, subscribe if you are not a subscriber of the channel. Share this video with other people who are transiting or who are already in the field of technology, but they are frustrated. Their resumes have been turned down. When they are applying to jobs, they are not calling them because you have not upskilled yourself. When you upskill yourself, you will become what? A solution provider. Any man who cannot solve problem, he cannot generate wealth. So problem accompanies what? Problem accompanies with what? With fame. Any man without problem, you don't have any money. Okay, you will not have any money, so you need to solve problem in order to have money. So if you are that kind of person that love to solve problem, we have certifications here for you. Now if you scroll with me down, you are going to see that we have new skills for a new way of working. Information technologies always evolve. It evolves every day. Information technology evolves every day. What you know in 2020, when you apply the same thing, it may not work this in 2024. All right? It evolves. So you have to follow the trend. You have to maintain your relevance in the latest trend of technology. Every trending you need to know, and you need to have it, and you need to practicalize it. You need to demonstrate it. All right. So in this skill, we have generative artificial intelligence. Many people talk about so much artificial intelligence, but they know nothing or less about artificial intelligence. Now, you keep on talking fictional knowledge to people, but you don't know the reality and the practical of it. I want you to take advantage of this course. We are having two free career essentials in generative AI, productivity with generative AI. In this one, career essentials in generative AI is all about the concept of artificial intelligence. All right, in generative AI functionality. But in this productivity with generative AI is all about the way and how to apply the skills to boost your productivity in your workplace. place. All right. So this is a practical aspect of it, why this one is a concept. So you, after you are done with this, after you have done with the essentials, you have to come to the productivity. Both of them have certification for you. Then for sustainability and cybersecurity, for those people who love to transit or who are already in the field of cybersecurity, you know, cybersecurity, their certifications are very, very expensive. And so now you have to start from here first. Start from here because this is where you will know a lot of terms, you will know a lot of, terminologies, those things that you need to know from the foundation. You have to grab yourself. You cannot just leave the basic and study advanced. If you leave the basic and study advanced, you are a failure. All right. So now that is what I want to say in respect to that. So now, if you are interested in cybersecurity, take this course, and at the end of the lectures, you are going to have a fundamental cybersecurity concept. You will be very fluent in cybersecurity terminology, and then you will be able to navigate your way in cybersecurity threat landscape. You know, that is it. And others like explore in demand, those ones that are they are rightly in front of you. They are in demand right now. The skills that are needed for you to succeed currently right now, these are the skills. 6 careers. Number one career is career essentials in administrative professional. You earn it, and then you will learn strong communication and interpersonal skills. Some of you put strong communication and interpersonal skills in your resume. Meanwhile, you don't have the skill. You put writing skills. You don't have it. You put time management strategies. You don't have it. Learn this thing and earn a certification to show that you know this thing. And those people who are having their resume with this kind of certificate, they will be considered above any other one. But even if you have a bachelor's degree and that person who do not put the certificate is having master's degree, they are going to consider you because it's not the degree that is important right now. It is the skill that we need to make sure that our industry works. All right, our industries work. All right, so that is what you will earn a certificate from it. And then you also have essential career essentials in project manager. Many of you are say you are a project manager, but you don't have this certification to show, to prove your skills. All right, so I want you to take time and learn. This is just the maximum hour for this tutorial is just 6 hours. It's just 6 hours, we are done. Do you understand? Then for those people in business analysis, you know, oil and gas company, they need you to analyze what is going on in their business in order to take informed decisions. All right, you have a certification to earn. Then the ones, the last three here, systems administrator. Many of you are saying you are an IT support, you are IT specialist, you are system administrator, but in all these things, you are not well grounded in this one that you are seeing here. When you talk about server and operating system basics or advanced, you don't know, but you have to take your time. For those people that are into system administration or IT support or IT specialist or whatsoever you are in networking or whatsoever, I want you to take a look at this course. In this system admin, so-called sysadmin, you know, you are going to learn the introduction to system administration. You will learn the operating system, how to install, updating the operating system and maintaining them. You will learn about the servers, how to create the servers, you manage the servers, you how do you call it, configure them, you maintain them, and then you monitor them. The identity and authorization or authentication services, you are going to learn all this, and you know what is called authorization, and you know what is called authentication. Then you also learn about networking, the role of a system administrator in networking. You will know everything about this thing. You will know what is called virtualization. All right, you will also learn what is called Windows Hyper-V. Okay, you will learn a lot, and you learn what is called type 1 Hyper-V and type 2 Hyper-V. You will learn all those EXXI. We have and other Oracle, VirtualBox, and all that. You will learn how do you call it, VMware. Okay, you will be well grounded. You will be well grounded in cloud administration. You will also be well grounded in security and monitoring. You will be well grounded in backup and recovery, how to schedule, monitor, and securing your backups and sound backup strategy. You will know all these things. Have the practical understanding, have the practical knowledge, showing it in demonstration. Okay, you get started as a system administrator, even if you are transiting from any other field that is not information technology. Once you finish with this course, you are good to go. You are good to go to do anything. All right, so that is what is required of you, and so you can take whatsoever you want to take. Just make sure that you have your data loaded. Instead of you to waste your data in watching movies, use your data to make yourself important, to solve problem in order to generate wealth for yourself. All right, thank you so much for this particular short video. I want you to subscribe. If you are not a subscriber, you cannot just watch. Somebody who is interested, I don't know you, but I'm interested in your well-being. What will take you to subscribe? It will be wickedness when you have learned this and you start learning and you don't even subscribe to the person, to the channel that brought you this information. All right, so take good care of yourself. Learn this thing fast. You can take one or two certification today and then you continue. Put them in your LinkedIn. What I forgot to tell you, since Microsoft and LinkedIn, they're in collaboration to bring you these skills. If you are not having account in LinkedIn, you have to do it, because LinkedIn is a platform. You can see is a platform to bring these skills to you, while Microsoft is a platform to give you this certification in collaboration with LinkedIn. Okay, so you have to have an account. You don't need to have a premium account before you go to this link. I will just put this link that I have highlighted above here in the description of this video, so that you will just click it and then it will take you to this page. So whatsoever thing you want to do, you just start doing it immediately. Do not procrastinate. Do not procrastinate. Do it now and do it fast. The very day you see this video is the day your career start getting attention. Okay? Watch and be successful. Thank you so much and have a lovely day. Bye bye.